Today we're in the meatpacking district, which is really one of the hot spots of New York.
And today's the day that we install Climbing Up. The final piece relays what we were asked to do by Land Rover, to show the power and capability of the cars, but also to demonstrate the lightness of this aluminum technology. This is a location where 3 streets cross, so you get lots of angles.
There is this beautiful building, which is a triangular building, and the installation is actually just smack in front of it. And that intensifies the installation itself, and it's also going to get a lot of foot traffic.
I thought the most impressive side would be the front side, where it's taking off in front of you. But I think from behind, it's incredibly impressive.
This is actually the real deal, and I hope that the audience can see this. The car drove on its own in front of the sculpture, got picked up by a forklift and positioned and then tipped. It's really the proof. This is your Range Rover. Just take it and drive away with it. It's really fascinating where brands go, in this case a car fabricator, outside of the showrooms and really engage with the public and of course celebrate the product, but also try to do something that is interesting for people as an experience.
That moment of walking down the street and seeing the first glimpse of it, and seeing people looking at it, congregating around it, taking pictures of it, that's the payoff for being an architect.
I got the answer from a person just walking by the installation, and he looked at me, it's like, wow, that is spectacular. And I think that's what we wanted to create.